Want to turn off Android system notifications? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open your settings. Now tap notifications. Here tap app notifications. Now you want to tap on these three dots. Here select show system apps. Now find the option of Android system over here and tap on that. If you do not find it here, simply tap on the search bar and then search Android system from here. Then select that. Now Android system does not allow you to turn off the Android system notifications. However, if you no longer want to receive them, you can simply tap on the silent option. Now the notification will be on silent mode, so you will no longer receive Android system notifications. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.